Hi guys, and welcome to the free gift page. Now if you're here for your free gifts, go directly to the bottom of the page. You will find 10 downloads plus 5 membership sites. Some of those membership sites have resellers as well. Now also, I'm going to be adding even more free downloads to this page. So please make sure that you watch out for my next email where I'm going to be adding even more free gifts. Now also today I have a very special offer, an amazing bonus package for a great product called Clipmagix. Now Clipmagix creates engaging videos. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to log inside Clipmagix so you can see exactly what it does. I've also added a few examples below on this page. As you can see, they're very, very captivating. When you scroll past, they do capture your attention. Now our bonus is limited. It's limited to the first 50 buyers only. As soon as we hit 50 buyers, we will close off this bonus. So do not wait. Don't sit on the fence because this will go very quickly. So what I'm going to do now is jump inside Clipmagix so you can see exactly how good this is. Then if you purchase through my link below, you will be able to claim our amazing bonus package. So thanks for watching. Watch the rest of the video. Okay guys, I just wanted to remind you that anyone who has purchased any of our bonuses in June, if you've purchased 2, please open a support ticket and we'll get you set up with all the bonuses for June, plus our mastermind as well. So make sure that you open a support ticket. Now if it was via JVZoo, please include the receipt showing my name. If it's in Warrior Plus, please send the email that you purchased with. Now before I jump inside Clipmagix, I just wanted to show you the bonus that we have for that. And that is all the best reseller packs from this year. Now we're only giving away 50 licenses to these. So please, if you want them, please make sure that you claim, quickly because they will go very, very quickly. Now we've got altogether reseller packs. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43 reseller packs. But there's only 50 licenses. So if you want to make sure that you claim these, be in the first 50. Now for your free downloads, you'll get these right at the bottom here. As you can see, you need to you've got 2 membership sites with sales pages here. If you want the extra 3, you need to register, and then you've got all the downloads with no opt-in required here. So let's jump inside Clipmagix now so I can show you how this works. You can see a few of the examples, of Clipmagix. These are kind of like videos, but they're only a section of the video is moving. As you can see the girls' hair. It looks engaging, but they're quite easy to do using this software. So thanks for watching. Watch the rest of the video. Okay guys, here we are inside Clipmagix. Now you can add video 3 ways. 1, you can search YouTube. 2, you can upload video. And 3, they've got a video library as well. Now the video library, if you just click get, you can see, if you scroll down, there's tons of video in here. As you can see, lots and lots of ones to use. You can also upload video yourself, or you can search YouTube as well for keywords, things like that, and it'll pull videos back related to those. But I'm just going to use the video library just to quickly show you how this works. Now you create those, really engaging videos. So let's use this one. Pour in the drink. So first you need to watch it. So you decide what time length you want to use that for. So let's start it at 2. Start time 2 seconds. Let's say 5 seconds. So it's 3 seconds long because you only want these short. So we're going to choose this video. Now what you do is just click mask, and then you can set the width of the mask. Then the mask is, you can just kind of make certain sections of this video move. So if you just wanted this part to move, all you do is mask this out. Literally that's all you do. So that, as you can see, that's moving as the rest of the image video is still. So all you do is click render. It's really quick to render. So then all you need to do, you can see that's now 3 seconds long. So as you can see, just this section is moving. Now you can connect Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn and YouTube, so you can automatically post these if you want. You can download it directly here, or you can just click create new. I'll just quickly show you another one of those. So let's click create. Let's go again to the video library. So look for something different. Time lapse is quite good. Clocks, let's look at clocks. Could be interesting. No, and that's not really good. Look at Big Ben. So you want something that moves, but that's not really any good. Let's do something else. Look at panoramic. That's good with the car moving. So if you wanted to do that and start it at say 1 second and finish at 4, choose video. And what you can do is you can just mask this section. So it's actually the car's gone off, so we kind of missed it, so we'd have to start out a little bit earlier. So mask that and render it. You'll just see the car disappearing. We should have started it a little bit earlier, probably at 0 seconds as the car was coming across. So it's just got, you just see it disappear there really. So let's try another one of those. So let's have a look at the beach. Always good ones to get engagement with. Try this one. Somebody walking on the beach, going out the sea. That's a nice one. Could just do the guy walking. So let's do that from. We'll start that at 0 and just finish at 4. Choose video. So let's mask that. So we'll mask the guy who's walking out. Mask that section, so it's a bit more there. Everything else, as you can see, stays still, so just render that. Play it up. As you can see, that looks really engaging because it's the guy coming out the sea. Now, this software does lots of other things as well. It doesn't just do what's, the engaging videos. You can do lots with it. You can add text in there, effects. There's lots of elements you can add in there as well. As you can see here, you've got buttons, you've got cutouts, you've got icons, illustrations, lighting. So you could add some of these lighting effects to those videos. You've got overlays, got shapes, social. So if you want to add your social buttons in there, you could do. You can add text in, you've got effects, you can add elements, you've got frames. This is nice because you can put a video border around the video. As you can see, you can make it bigger or smaller. We've got filters, lots of different filters as well to add to the video. We've got headers, so these are really nice for engagement on Facebook. So you've got lots of things you can do with this software. It's not just to make those kind of engaging videos, but it's a great piece of kit just to make those videos really, really stand out. So it's very well worth buying for the money that they actually asking for this. You can make those videos very, very quickly, and they have a huge database of videos to choose from as well. Plus you can import from YouTube and add your own as well. So thanks for watching, and watch out for the next video.